everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess and Doll Collector, and on a recent doll vlog I talked about how I needed to replace my 2018 Kate Spade agenda, and I asked for some recommendations. I really do like this little planner book, but the new ones that they have for 2019, I don't like the covers, and there's really only a couple of designs you can pick from over there. I got some wonderful feedback in the comments and people on social media, and I finally ended up going over to a company called Rifle Paper Company. They're out of Winter Park, Florida, and I'm going to unbox and show you what I ended up getting. I watched dozens and dozens, it felt like, videos on YouTube, and I ended up, and I'm just going to be crinkling here, going with this company. I got an agenda along with the planner. I also purchased some small booklets, but let's get it all out here. Alright, beautiful patterns. Here is the actual planner book. Nothing else in there. Nope, not at all. Alright, so you can see it is bigger than I thought. I think this will still fit in my purse okay. I do use a fairly large tote bag style purse, but you can see the difference in size. Alright. And here it is. It is a 17-month planner. I think this is Wildwood, if I remember correctly, the name of the pattern. Let me take this little plastic thing off. Oh, it's up here. Alright, it's hardcover, which is something kind of important to me. I noticed some of the planners I was looking at were kind of soft, or they were just like a laminated piece of paper on the front as the cover, and that was not what I wanted. Seemed kind of cheap to me, honestly. And I use this a lot, so I want something kind of sturdy. I can take this off. Oh, here we go. I'm going to pull this. There we go. Alright. Here's a little piece of cardboard. And here we go. Yes. This looks nice. Oh, plenty of room. Actually, this is probably better because I do write very large. In fact, so you can see an example of my scribblies. So I have more room to write. And this is a 17-month planner, so there'll be extra months that I won't be using. Let's see how many note pages there are. These are important dates. And then notes. Not a ton. So these are all just plain note pages. I need more of these, so that's why I ended up buying a couple of extra little booklets, and also they had of course they had a free shipping if you spent a certain amount. And my thought was that one of these might fit in here. Let me see, like size wise, could I fit one of these in here and still close it up? And so this was 2 little notebooks with these are not ruled, the paper's not ruled. I would have actually preferred to have some lines on it, but I went more for the size and the cover. Let me see if this will fit. If I go like that, and then I went like that. Yes, actually that would fit. So then I could use one for notes when I'm at a meeting, for example. I could just put my notes in here, and I could even maybe have, you know, different notebooks for different types of meetings I go to. And then this is a smaller, these are smaller notebooks. This don't want to slide off, so there we go. These are quite a bit smaller, but again, if I wanted to, let me see if they'll fit in here. In fact, does this have a pocket? Oh, it does. So I could put one in here in a pocket. Yeah, yay, I think it's gonna work for me. Good, awesome. I just got to figure out which one of these. Probably go with these because I have large handwriting, but this is nice to have. This might be useful to keep in my purse for when I just need to make an unexpected note or something. Oh, this must be the receipt then. Yes, this is the receipt. Let me look at it off camera. All right, so this, I'm not showing you the code, but there's a code that I got with this little thank you note from them. And I could get 15% off if I order some other stuff from them. And I have to say, they have awesome paper products. They also have really cute, they actually have fabric. What else? They had all kinds of stuff. I mean, shoes even. So, okay, so this is what I ended up finally with. I got these two notebooks, this little notebook, and this one here I put in the pocket. Oh, here's another piece of cardboard even. Okay. Oh, and it has a little ruler. And let's see, is there any note pages back here? Oh, stickers. I'm not really into stickers, but we'll see. Maybe I'll give them a shot. I know planning is like a really big deal, but I really just need something that's really functional. I need something to write in dates for meetings and times and that kind of thing. And then notes. I don't take a lot of notes at meetings because I'm knitting usually during a meeting, and usually I don't really need to take notes, but every once in a while I may need to write just a few things down, like, you know, deadlines or certain dates or that kind of thing, people's names. So I need something I can put a little bit on, and I'm trying to remember how much I ended up paying for all of this. And they don't have the prices on this receipt here. But I think this was like, I want to say $34. And all of this came up to around $50 from what I remember. Maybe a smidgen more. And that was free shipping too. So I didn't have to pay for shipping. I mean, obviously you pay somehow, but yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching my little weird unboxing here, and for your suggestions, and I will let you know how functional this is once I actually get the chance to use it. I am going to start, I mean, because I'm down to, or like back here is a little bit, this is this month, so next month I'm going to go ahead and start transferring stuff over to the new planner, and I will let you know what my thoughts are maybe in another Dolly vlog in the future. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up, a subscription. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.